We're going to attempt to take one of these Japanese beetle traps and make it more chicken friendly so that we have some sort of automatic Japanese beetle feeder for our birds. This is one I got off Amazon. To open these up, you just take that tab, throw it away. Don't worry, we'll pick it up, we'll put it in the trash. We also have this bait shield. This is what the beetles run into when the scent is sitting on top. This is what I think I want to use. I'm also going to use the scent lure, but we're going to keep it in the package for now. We're going to take this, it's about a 3.5 foot piece of PVC pipe. I don't think it matters what height, just as long as it is high enough that a chicken can't dive into it. You know what I'm saying? I think another item that we're gonna need for this very in-depth plan that we're not just making up on the fly, we'll need some duct tape. We're gonna take this 3-inch elbow and attach it to the scrap piece of pipe. Apparently I can't read. This is 4-inch sewer pipe. Now you know. We're gonna set that elbow down into one of our rubber bowls. We have many rubber bowls here on the homestead. They're just kind of a universal drinking and feeding device. And what we're gonna do is set that in the corner of our chicken coop, or our chicken run, I should say. And then we're gonna wire that pipe to the corner of our chicken run. We're gonna have our lure set on top. And then that way, when the beetles come flying into that lure, what they're gonna do is they're gonna hit that divider, fall down into the PVC pipe, so they'll hit the water, but then because of that elbow, those beetles will eventually be able to float out and allow those chickens to feast upon them. So it's lunchtime on the next day, and I went out here to check the chicken run to look at our automatic chicken feeding Japanese beetle trap, and success! We did it! So far the system is working great. If there's one thing I would change though, it's probably replacing the rubber bowl with a plastic container. I am noticing that as we use it, sometimes you'll see a beetle has made it up onto that rubber edge, so I would probably, well, I will switch out to a plastic container so the beetles can't climb up the sides. What I love about this system though is that it is organic. There are no pesticides on the beetles. The only thing that's killing those beetles is the water and the chickens. That's it. It's free food for the birds, and who doesn't like a little extra protein in their diet, right? So thank you guys for watching. I hope you give this a shot and let me know in the comments if you find this design successful in your homestead. Boone and I are exhausted from working on that last video, but we think it was worth our time. We hope it was worth your time. We hope we've earned your subscription. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.